Alright, welcome to my vlog. This is Danny's garage. Alright, I'm doing a frozen caliper replacement on this 03 Ford Explorer. It's getting time to retire this thing, but it's still running, so I'm just waiting for the engine to quit. So what I had to do here is I bought the whole caliper kit, which comes with the slider, and I decided I'm just going to go ahead, even though the slide pins on this were in good shape. The brake pads might have been really tight and not loosening up once they got going, so it probably was giving me a hot rotor. That's all right. So I bought it. I'm going to go ahead and put it on, and I got to bleed it here in a little while. Loosen that up. Loosen that up before you take that caliper off, and then get your new. You've got a new bolt, and you got new crush washers. So use those going through that. You get these new stainless steel slide plates in the kit, and they'll take the place of those there. Make sure when you put this together, I just checked them, there's a good coat of slide pin grease on both of them, but make sure they're not dry. Doesn't do you any good. In fact, I might add some of my own. And jeez, I need a new slider. New slider bolts. Put some thread lock on them. Over the years, for the older ones, they get rusted, and you can just go ahead and I don't even worry about thread lock, because the rust will keep it from coming loose. So look in your book for your torques for those. They're 18s, and it'll be good to go. All right, let's get the caliper on there. I gotta get done with this. All right, we've just moved our line to here. You see new crush washer on the head, and then a crush washer on the main part, and we don't have any leakage. Now he's tightened down. Just tighten it down to it's snug, and then snug it a little bit more. Now we got to get the lead screw undone here. Now with rubber gloves on. Okay, so that's where we're at. Okay, we just did our road check on this after doing the bleeding on it. Everything's good. I wish I had another rotor, because I am getting a little bit of pulsing. So I'm afraid, because it got so hot, it warped it. This side here, not too bad. I did make sure the sliders and everything on here good and lubed, so we should be in good shape. Everyone's gonna take a little drive it around, because it's been sitting a month. Yeah, it's probably my problem right here as far as my pulsing is concerned, because you can see that rotor's kind of shot. So all right, here we are. Man, doing my tires no good. All right, thanks for watching. If you like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, definitely share. And this was replacing the passenger side caliper and slider on this 03 Ford Explorer.